IB Road 2 EPC is a Horizon 2020 funded project aiming to catalyze deep renovation of European buildings. It will do this by upgrading the main relevant tool already widely available in the building market, the Energy Performance Certificate or EPC. Buildings in the EU are responsible for 40% of our energy consumption and 36% of greenhouse gas emissions. The large majority of buildings are inefficient energy-wise. The EU aims to be climate neutral by 2050, an economy with net zero greenhouse gas emissions. For the building sector, this aim implies radical improvements in energy performance. The EU's ambitious climate targets are supported by national long-term renovation strategies. Ultimately, these need to influence individual building renovation objectives and decisions. Many more and deeper energy renovations are needed for European buildings, leading to radical performance improvements. The Renovation Wave strategy aims to at least double the annual energy renovation rate of buildings by 2030. Building renovation passports support deep renovation through a comprehensive assessment, identification of effective measures, and a roadmap for their implementation. But such customized guidance needs to be provided by experts. This can mean high upfront costs, limiting the numbers that can be served. Such was the route taken by IB Road, which was IB Road 2 EPC's predecessor. IB Road developed a model for the Building Renovation Passport, as an integrated plan for the deep renovation of a building, in one or more steps. The passport was complemented by a digital building logbook, repository for building information. IB Road 2 EPC follows on IB Road's footsteps, while taking a more market-oriented and pragmatic approach. It simplifies and cuts down the expected cost of the renovation plan, integrating it with the Energy Performance Certificate and facilitating its implementation at scale. IB Road 2 EPC also considers additional features such as indoor environment and smart technologies to improve conditions for building occupants. To facilitate compliance, IB Road 2 EPC establishes links with official tools like National Energy Performance Calculation Software, building registries, and others. Similarly, an integral part of IB Road 2 EPC's long-term renovation plan are the future legal obligations resulting from national or European regulations. Energy performance certificates are used all over Europe to show buildings' energy efficiency. They can do even more. IB Road 2 EPC integrates selected elements from the Building Renovation Passport into energy performance certificates. This can enhance the latter's ability to promote and support deep renovations. To find out more about IB Road 2 EPC, access our outcomes, and subscribe to our updates, please visit ibrod2epc.eu.